Welcome to our BigCommerce tutorials. Today BigCommerce will show you how to update a channel on BigCommerce using Postman. In the previous blog post, I just showed you how to create a new channel on BigCommerce, so in this blog post, I will show you how to update that channel using Postman. The process includes 2 steps. Step 1, check channels on BigCommerce Store. Step 2, update a new channel using Postman. Let's look at the BigCommerce Store first to see which channels are existing. Now, take the first step, check channels on BigCommerce Store. Before check channels for someone who did not create a BigCommerce API account, remember to check the scopes on BigCommerce. You can watch video 10th to know how to check scope detail and detail. Let's look at the BigCommerce Store first to see which channels are existing and which channel you want to update. Go to the home page. Select Channel Manager. Make sure you know which channels are connected and which ones you need to update. Let's move on to the second step, update a channel using Postman. You have to log into your Postman account and then open one of your workspaces. Now we are prepared to update a channel using Postman. Firstly, select Put and fill with this URL. Replace with your store hash generated on BigCommerce from the API path. Continuously replace the channel ID with the ID you got when you create the channel. If this is the first time you make a call in the Postman, you must generate API credentials from the BigCommerce admin account. You can read blog how to create a BigCommerce API account on the BigCommerce website. 1. In the header section, you need to declare the information. XAuth token, access token. Two. In the body section. First, you need to click on the body section, then tick it raw to fill the data. Remember to change the text to JSON. The following fields that you can be updated: name, external ID, status, is listable from UI, is visible, config meta. Note: partial updates are supported. In most cases, if a field that cannot be updated is passed in, the API will not respond with an error. Platform and type cannot be updated after a channel is created. A channel with a status deleted or terminated cannot be updated. After filling in all the information, click the Send button to send the API request. Response: the API will return the data like this. Now back to BigCommerce to check the result. The channel has been updated. The above are all steps to update a channel on BigCommerce with Postman. Please comment below or refer to our BigCommerce API documentation if you have any questions. Hopefully, you can do it. With the BigCommerce tutorials series, we can help you save a lot of resources. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the following video about BigCommerce API. If you have any suggestions or questions, let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. BigCommerce. Connecting application, automating processes.